Welcome back to GearUpWindows YouTube channel. In this video, we will guide you on how to fix all types of Windows 10 update problems. When you click on this one, a start button, go to the settings and then update and security and Windows updates. And when you try to check for updates or Windows also automatically try for checking updates, you may find here several types of error codes and you will be unable to update your Windows 10 machine to the latest one version. In case you are getting the same problem with your Windows 10 PC, you need to follow some steps. First one is restarting the service. For that, click on this one start button and here type services and then click on this one services app entry. Then you need to find here Windows Update service. Just find Windows Update, right click on it and select restart option in case available. Otherwise go to properties and here check this one is automatic or manual. A startup type is automatic or manual and then click on this one start button. In case it is stopped, in case it is already started, right click on this one and select restart. Similarly, you need to check the Windows installer service. Windows installer service, right click on it and in case it is stopped, then click on this one start button. Next, move to the background intelligent transfer service, right click on it and select here a start. Then again try to check the updates. If not work, restart once and then check. If it does not solve the issues of Windows update, then you need to go through the next step. Next step is troubleshooting. For that, click on the start button, click settings, select update and security, click on this one troubleshoot, click on additional troubleshooters, click on Windows update, click on run the troubleshooter. It will Windows 10 will try to find the issues and fix. In case Windows 10 is unable to fix the issues, it will suggest some steps you need to follow that. It may be different. Next one is in case after that troubleshooting is finished, you need to restart the PC and check for updates. If it is working, then well and good. In case it is not working, then move to the next step. For that, you have to rename software distribution folder and cat root to folder. For that, click on this one start button, type here cmd, right click on command prompt tab and select run as administrator. Press yes in case Windows prompts. Then here type net stop bits and press enter on the keyboard. This will stop background intelligent transfer service. Similarly, you need to restart Windows Update service and two or more that I will provide in this video description. You can run one by one. There are total 4 services that you need to stop. Later I will start it. I will show the steps. After doing this all, you need to issue the command to rename software distribution folder. For that, copy and paste this one command and press enter on the keyboard. And similarly, you need to issue another command that I will leave details in this video description. After doing this, you need to start the service that you have stopped before. Then you need to issue the command like this. Okay, net start bits, and similarly there are three commands you need to start. If it is already started, then you will see like this message. Next, in case it also does not work after restarting the PC, type sfc space slash scan now and press enter on the keyboard. This command will thoroughly check your Windows PC, and if any file or folder that is required by Windows 10 will be fixed through this command. In case any file or folder is corrupted that is related to your Windows 10 PC, it will try to fix the command. In case it will take some time, I am closing this now. In case it also does not work, you can reset the PC. For that, open the settings app, click on update and security, then click on this one recovery option, then click on this one get started. Here I will suggest you to select remove everything. This will remove every files and folders including software that you have manually created or installed, and it will take around 1 hour. Okay, after that your PC should start working and Windows update should also start working. In case this also does not solve your problem, then final option is just erase everything from your PC and install a fresh Windows 10. Thanks for watching this video. If you are new to our channel GearUpWindows, kindly subscribe it, and if you love this video, press thumbs up. Bye bye.